Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharma Patashala. Today we will learn about calculation involving percentage solutions. So let's start. So before starting calculation, first you need to understand what is percentage solution. So a percentage solution expresses the amount of solute present in 100 parts of solution. So basically in a simple word, in 100 parts of solution, how much quantity of solute it contains. So that is percentage calculation. So percentage, basically the formula includes percentage is equal to quantity of solute. So quantity, how much solute present in quantity of solution, that is in a solution how much solute is present. So that is percentage solution. So why do we use percentage? So in pharmacy and medicines like IV fluids, syrups, ointments, disinfectant, topical lotions, all are expressed in percentage strength. So studying about percentage solution is very much important. So let's see what are the types of percentage solution. So there are three main types of percentage solution. So the type 1, percentage weight by volume. Type 2, percentage volume by volume. Type 3, percentage weight by weight. So in upcoming video, we will discuss each type in detail with calculation. The number 1, percentage weight by volume. So percentage weight in volume expresses the number of grams of constituent present in 100 ml of the solution or preparation. As in the name only indicates, weight by volume, weight. So number of grams. In grams, how much gram of solute present in 100 ml of solution or preparation. So that is percentage weight by volumes. So let's break down the definition in depth. First, percent. So percent means per 100. So whenever we say 1%, 5%, it means, for example, 5% means 5 parts in 100 parts. So 5 gram in 100 ml of solutions. So that is percent. So weight. In the definition you saw weight. What weight refers? So weight refers to amount of solid substance measured in gram. For example, if we take 5 gram of sugar, so that is weight of the solute, basically in gram. So that is weight. Then weight by volume we saw. So volume, what volume refers? So volume refers to the final liquid quantity, so which is measured in ml. For example, if 5 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 ml of solution, or 5 gram of sugar is dissolved in 1 ml of solution, and then it is make up to 100 ml. So that is a volume of solution. Final volume, that is 100 ml we make up the solution. So that is a volume. Then combine, weight in volume. What in combine, what is the meaning? So this means we measure the solute in gram. So volume means we measure final solution in milliliter. So basically weight in volume is gram per 100 ml. So from real life example, you can get more clarity. So here one example, real life example. So 5% weight by volume sodium chloride solution in need to prepare. So what is the meaning? Like 5% weight by volume. If anybody gives you like prepare 5% weight by volume of sodium chloride solution. So as a fresher or who have no knowledge about calculation, will be like what to do. So let me break down. So 5 gram of, so I basically I told weight by volume, which means 5 gram of sodium chloride must be present in 100 ml of final solutions. So if we weigh 5 gram of sodium chloride and if we dissolve in 100 ml of solution, so that become 5% weight by volume sodium chloride solution. So this is a simple example. Till now you got about little bit idea about like a percentage weight by volumes. Now let's start with the calculations. So problem number 1. So how many grams of sodium chloride are required to prepare 500 ml of 0.9% weight by volume solutions? So here the problem is how many grams sodium chloride is required to prepare 500 ml of 0.9% weight by volume solutions. So this is a question. So let's see how we can solve it. First, you need to know the formula for percentage weight by volume solution. So percentage is equal to quantity of solute by quantity of solution into 100. So this is a formula for percentage weight by volume solution. So here we need to calculate number of grams of sodium chloride required. So in place of quantity of solute, we will add X, and in place of percentage, we will write 0.9, and in place of quantity of solution, we will add 500. So after calculation, we will get 4.5 gram. So basically 4.5 gram of sodium chloride are required to prepare 500 ml of 0.9% weight by volume solution. So let's see the problem number 2. Problem number 2, calculate the percentage strength when 8 gram of drug is dissolved to make 200 ml of solution. So in problem number 1, quantity of solute is not given. But in problem number 2, quantity of solute, that is 8 gram, is given. So we need to calculate percentage strength. So before calculation, we need to write the formula, that is percentage is equal to quantity of solute by quantity of solution into 100. So we will substitute the value. In place of quantity of solute, we will write 800, and in place of volume, we will write 200, and we will calculate. After calculation, we will get the percentage solution, that is 4% weight by volume of solution is required. So when we dissolve 8 gram of drug in 200 ml of solution, we will get 4% weight by volume solution. So let's see the problem number 3. So problem number 3, how much drug is required to prepare 1 liter of 5% weight by volume solution? So here we can see that they have given 1 liter. So basically, as I explained, percentage weight by volume is gram in ml. So the values or the unit should be in ml and gram. So but here in liter. So first we need to convert 1 liter into ml. So as you know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So let's start the calculation. First, in place of quantity of solute, we will write X, and percentage calculation will write 5, and in 1 liter, in place that 1000 ml, we will write in place of 1 liter, we need to write 1000 ml. So after calculation, we will get X is equal to 50 gram. So 50 gram of drug is required to prepare 1 liter of 5% weight by volume of solution. So now that you have understood about percentage weight by volume and you know how to calculate it, so let's start with second type, that is percentage volume by volume. So percent volume in volume expresses the number of milliliter of liquid constituent present in 100 ml of solution or preparation. So as the name only you can see percent volume in volume. In type 1 we have seen weight in volume. So here volume in volume. So volume, as you know, expressed in ml. So number of milliliter means ml of solute, like 2 ml or 5 ml of solute present in 100 ml of solution or preparation. So that is percentage volume by volume. One simple example, 70% volume by volume alcohol solution. So what is the meaning of this? So here 70 ml of alcohol present in 100 ml of final solution. So if we measure 70 ml of alcohol and add water to make up the final volume to 100 ml, so that is 70% volume by volume alcohol solution. So percent, you need to know percent means 100. Total volume should be 100. then it is given volume. So volume means 70 ml. If it is given weight means 70 gram in 100 ml of solution. So like that you need to identify that small changes and then you need to proceed in calculations. So let's see in the calculation. So problem number 1. How many ml of alcohol are required to prepare 250 ml of 70% volume by volume solution? So first you need to write the formula. So that is percentage is equal to quantity of solute by quantity of solution into 100. So as you know, here we need to identify quantity of solute. How much solute is required? So percent, as you know, 70%, and quantity of solution is 250 ml. So after substitution and calculation, we will get 175 ml alcohol required. So 175 ml of alcohol are required to prepare 250 ml of 70% weight volume by volume solution. So problem number 2. Calculate the percentage strength when 40 ml of ethanol is made up to 200 ml of solution. So this problem solve by yourself and write the answer in comment section. Now coming to type 3, that is percentage weight by weight. So in from type 1 you have seen weight by volume. In type 2 you have seen a volume by volume. Now percentage weight by weight. As you came to know that weight by weight means percentage weight in weight expresses the number of grams of constituent present in 100 gram of preparation. So weight is expressed in gram. So how much gram of solute or anything which is present in 100 gram of preparation. So that is weight by weight. So for example, let's see 5% weight by weight ointment. What do you mean by 5% weight by weight ointment? So 5 gram of drug present in 100 gram of ointment. When you see any ointment like labeling, you can see that 5% weight by weight ointment they have written. So it means 5 gram of, that is API, any drug, it may be paracetamol, diclofenac. So 5 gram of diclofenac is present in 100 gram of ointment. So that is 5% weight by weight ointment. So now you came to know about difference between all the 3 types. So let's see the calculation of type 3. The problem number 1. How many grams of drugs are required to prepare 200 gram of 5% weight by weight ointment? So here we need to calculate how much grams of drugs is required. Like 5 gram, 10 gram or 15 gram. First we need to write the formula, that is percentage is equal to quantity of solute by quantity of solution into 100. So you need to substitute the values. In place of percent, you write 5. In place of volume, that is quantity of solution, you write 200 gram or 200. Then you calculate. So after calculation, you will get 10. So 10 gram of drug is required to prepare 200 gram of 5% weight by weight ointment. So let's solve the problem number 2. So calculate the percentage strength when 15 gram of drug is present in 300 gram of preparation. So now you need to calculate the percentage strength. So first write the formula, that is percent is equal to quantity of solute by quantity of solution into 100. So the step 1 will be substituting the value. So in place of quantity of solute you will write 15 gram. So in place of quantity of solution you will write 300. So now after calculation you will get 5%. So 5% strength, that is a percentage strength. So when you prepare 15 gram of drug in 300 gram of preparation, the strength will be 5%. So here's complete information about the percentage solution and the calculations which involves all the type 3 calculations. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. So in the upcoming video, we will learn about calculation involving alligation method.